Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I am doing the Eureka Math Grade 1 Module 2 Lesson 9 homework. So let's get started. Use number bonds to show your thinking. Write the 10 plus fact. So again, like I always say, one of the most important things when doing a math problem is understanding the problem itself. So let's review. So we're using number bonds to show our thinking. So as we reviewed in the previous lessons, when adding numbers, we can break them apart to make 10 to make it easier to solve. So now they want us to show proof of that, so we're writing our 10 plus fact down here. So number 1, 8 plus 3. So here we can break apart 3 and make it 2 and 1. And the reason we're breaking it into 2 and 1 is because that 8 plus 2 equals 10, and that is what we're trying to make here. We're trying to make 10. So now this becomes 10. We could think of this as 10 and 1 left over, so 10 plus 1. So here we would write 10 plus 1, which is 11, which means that 8 plus 3 is 11. Now let's look at number 2. So here we have 6 plus 8. So let's break apart 6, and we're breaking apart into 2 and 4. And the reason why we're not doing 5 and 1 or 3 and 3 is because that we need to make 10, and 8 plus 2 equals 10, so that is why we're adding them together. And now we have 4 left here, so this would be 10 plus 4. So then 4 plus 10 equals 14, which means 6 plus 8 also equals 14. And number 3, 8 plus 8 equals blank. Let's take apart this 8, do 2 and 6, because these make 10. So now I have 10 and 6 left over. So this is 10 plus 6, which is 16, which means that 8 plus 8 equals 16. Now number 4, 5 plus 8 equals blank. So here, let's break apart 5 into 2 and 3. So this is now 10 and 3 more, which is 10 plus 3. And 10 plus 3 is 13, which means that 5 plus 8 also equals 13. And here, it says, complete the addition sentences and the number bonds. So here what we're doing, we're adding the equations again, and now we're doing the number bond for the equations. So just to review what a number bond is, they are numbers, two numbers that when added up together, they equal to the sum or the total, and they're put into a bond like a diagram. So 5a, they have 7 plus 8, and they already given us our total, so we could go ahead and write that down. 7 plus 8 is 15. But if we were to solve it, we would have broken apart 7 to 2 and 5. So then we would have had 10 plus 5 equals 15. Now let's look at B. We have 10 plus 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15. So here we write 15 and 10, and then we have 5. Over here, for A, 16 equals blank plus 8. So now we have to find out what plus 8 is 16. So here we have 16 and 8. We know 16 minus 8 is 8, because we did that over here. So 8 plus 8 equals 16. And then for B, we have 10 plus 6. So 10 plus 6 is 16. So let's write that down. 16, and then we have 10 as our first part and 6 as our second part. Next page. All right, so here we're still doing the same thing. So 9 plus 8. So we know that 10 plus 7 is 17, which would make this also 17. So 17, we're adding 9 and 8, which is 17. And for B here, 10 plus 7, we know that's 17 too. So we can write 10 plus 7 equals 17. Now this part says draw a line to the matching number sentence. you may use a number bond or a 5-group drawing to help you. So here we are looking at these problems and we're matching them with the number sentences in these blocks. So let's look at 11. We have 8 plus 3 equals 11. So now let's make this into a 10. Let's solve by finding a 10. So 8 plus 3, break this apart into 2 and 1. So this is now 10. We have one more here. So 10 plus 1 equals 11. And we found this equation here, so this matches with that. Number 9, Lisa has 5 red rocks and 8 white rocks. How many rocks did she have? Okay, so 5 and 8. So here we're doing 5 plus 8. So 5 plus 8 equals blank. So let's take apart 5 into 2 and 3. This is now 10 plus 3, which is 13. And here they have a similar equation, so we match this up. Now for 10, we have 10, 4, 14. So this is saying that 10 plus 4 is 14. So if we were to take this back to the original form, if they didn't find 10, then we would have subtracted 1 from here, and then we would have added, we had 2 from here and add it to that, since that's what we were doing this lesson. So we minus 2 and add to that, which would make this 6, and make that 8. That would be 8 plus 6, which is over here, and that makes up to 14. So 8 plus 6 equals 14. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps my channel out. See you guys next time. Bye!